Today we're taking a look at the new Huawei Mate 40 Pro. As we go further inside, we find the SIM removal tool and a clear case for the phone. It's not the highest quality but a welcome addition inside the box. Next up, we find the 66-watt supercharger as well as the Type-C to Type-A cable and a Type-C headset. Now let's get to the device. As soon as we unwrapped the device, we were blown away by this color-shifting silver finish of the phone. The Huawei Mate 40 Pro comes featuring an 88-degree 6.7-inch 90Hz horizon display with a 2772 x 1344 resolution for an immersive viewing experience. Also in the front, you find a cutout packed with an UltraVision dual 13-megapixel selfie camera and smart gesture control. For security, you've got an in-screen fingerprint sensor and 3D face unlock too. Inside the device, you find the new Kirin 9000 processor fully equipped for 5G alongside up to 256GB of storage and 12GB of RAM. Moreover, you find a 24-core Mali 378 GPU too. Co-engineered with Leica, the Mate 40 series provides breakthroughs in all its camera lenses. For photos and videos, the Huawei Mate 40 Pro packs a 50-megapixel wide-angle primary sensor with an f1.9 lens, a 20-megapixel sensor with an ultra-wide-angle f1.8 lens, and a tertiary camera which is a 12-megapixel sensor with an f3.4 telephoto lens for 10x hybrid zoom and 50x digital zoom. It gets a larger 4400 mAh battery with support for 66-watt fast charging and 50-watt wireless charging. Right next to the charging port, you also find one of the two speaker grills. The other one can be found on top of the phone, allowing stereo sound out of the Mate 40 Pro. There's no GMS seen on the device, but Huawei has taken many forward strides with their AppGallery and EMUI 11 featuring a revamped software experience and updated privacy features. This is paired with Huawei mobile services and a Petal Search feature to find applications currently not available on the AppGallery. All this and much more is going to make the Huawei Mate 40 Pro an extremely interesting device to review. To stay up to date with all the coverage for the Huawei Mate 40 Pro, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.